Hello, this is my cat named Mrs. Cuddles. She is cool because she got transgender and she can fetch.
And she pees in the bathtub.
Want to see her fetch? Let's see her.
Yeah.
She fetches this stick. And for those of you that had never seen a cat retrieve a stick before, you're going to see it right now. Come on, let's go, Cuddles. It might take a few tries for her to bring it back over. Right here. Let's go. Here we go.
Okay, make your concluding remark.
What?
Make your concluding remark.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Now we're gonna trick her. What can I do? Pretend she's throwing it that way. Goodness, really gonna go that way.
That was the trick.
Yeah, we really do it that way. Cuddle, I'm gonna trick that. I'm gonna throw it that way. Oh, wrong way. Sorry, she's never done it this way before. Let's just see if she got moved. Come on, go. Now we're gonna try to make her knock something over.
Hit the wall.
She's gonna run into these pillows. She's going to run into these pillows.
Then you have to hit the pillow.
I know. It might take me a few tries.
Oh boy.
The pillows, but try one. Ah! But see, I'm gonna get closer.
What?
Okay, let's wrap this up.
We're wrapping this up with a grand finale, okay? See this? Ooh. Yeah! Rápido.
Make your last statement.
Last statement. What does that mean?
Your closing remark. Wrap it up. I'm gonna stop filming.
I don't know what that means.
That's how the cat.
That's how the cat retrieves
No, yeah.
a stick. That's how it's done. Well
Did you